Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up the audio within your KineMaster edit. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the KineMaster application, and once you open it up, you can open any recent project or create a new one right away. Now once you are within your edit screen, you can import your media from the media as well as audio section. When you have imported your audio, it will be placed underneath your video. Now, if you wish to speed up your audio, you can tap on it, but you will not find this option anywhere. So in order to speed it up, you will need to use another method. First of all, delete the video track from your audio and then tap on media. Now from the image assets, just use a blank background. Once you use a solid black color, expand it till the end of the audio. And once you are done, you can now tap on the play button to see the preview. Now within your video, there is simply the audio that you wish to have and sped up along with a black background. Now just export this file using any preset, and once you save this, you will find it within your gallery. Now since this is a video file, you will now be able to open this up within your project and then speed this up from the video settings. So once your exporting is done, you can tap on the close button and now just delete your audio as well as the black background. Then from the media tab, you can upload this video from your gallery. Once it is uploaded, it will appear within your timeline. And now you can close the media browser, and when you tap on this file, you will now see the speed option. Go ahead and tap on it and make sure that mute audio is not turned on. Otherwise, this will mute your audio. Now just choose your desired speed, and when you choose it, it will be applied to your timeline in real time. After choosing your desired speed, you can go back and now it will be applied to your audio right away. Now after adding your desired sped up audio, tap on layer and then choose media to download your other preferred media to use within your edit, and it will automatically be added above the layer of the video file containing the sped up audio. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to speed up your audio on KineMaster. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.